Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of Light, the God of Sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, all attractive, all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There are said to be chant weapons, chant healers, chants that are sound seekers, chants that are heat seeking, that cast off or absorb light. It is for anyone to be a spiritual leader, but the false ones are doing it to lord over people, are to show pomp. Weapons are only to be used with spiritual consideration. Spiritual tools can be counteracted. Spiritual patterns and formulas take longer to work and otherwise diminish in effectiveness by treating them as mere formalities. We will have feelings and emotions with changes, but the fervor of devotion can give us the ways to respond in all circumstances. Criminals should be punished in a way that ultimately benefits them. God is the primal being without being originated. Scripture is beyond stories and philosophy, but it is from those sent to help bring about the true social order beyond material conditions. These are a combination of elements and factors. We can't escape having to use these in life. Incarnation is a prison for the believer to liberate themselves from. By that, I don't mean suicide or anything like that, but I mean, through a life full of good thoughts, good words, and good deeds, and, you have no reason for further incarnation. The sent ones are to make the social order of surrender to God possible. And by that, if you don't believe in reincarnation, the hell realms, that sort of thing too, is the same principle. No society or individual will perfect our devotional services for us, or have their deeds or anything count on our spiritual record. Try to maintain what good you start with and feeling. There is no harm in transferring devotional objects and places to those who will use them. Or it doesn't matter what they were done, what happened with them before, as long as they're, dealt with right from now on, is also the point. There is no material energy or form outside of the presence of spiritual energy. Those who act on the spiritual platform can become aware of beings, places, things, and other abilities lost to material science. Water and sacred formulas are all you need to perform of the most powerful of rituals. Government is to try to provide the opportunity for the fulfillment of everyone's material needs, moral instruction, and spiritual freedom. People shouldn't be artificially placed in positions they're not qualified for. And wealth shouldn't exceed environment. Agnishvata barhishanda saunya petara anjapa sagnayo nagnayas tasham patni takshayani svanda. And the fire modes, and the bar modes, and the and the saumas, the forefathers, those whose means is by fire, and those whose means is without fire. Of them, the wife, the daughter of Daksa, Svada. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.